Naomi, the Crafty Savage here, and I'm back for another letter of the day for our ABCs of April Shay Jay-Reed style. So today's letter is D is for what? And it ain't what you are thinking. You just get your little dirty mind out the gutter. Y'all are nasty putting them thoughts in my head. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, like that's what I thought it was. I was like, no. The D is for, well, you know. And if you don't know, you're too young to be on this channel. You just need to take your little butt somewhere else. But anywho, so this diamond painting comes from Rhinestone Goddess Creations. It is the Art of ShayJay-Reed. You will get, in every canvas, you get your toolkit. You get your tweezers that come in round and square drills. You get your little boat. You get a diamond painting pen that's got a two-placer. You can't really see it in the bag, but it's there. Just take my word for it. You got your wax. You got your little baggies inside of a baggie, which I love because I hate it when the drills, yeah. The bags are just all willy-nilly all over the place. I'm not for it. You got your little squishy. You also got like a big Mama Jamma multi-placer. You're like, I don't care. I don't care about the toolkit, Naomi. I want to see the D, right? We all want the D. Okay, we're getting there. Just chill, right? So, every Rhinestone Goddess Creations canvas, you will also receive a plastic sleeve that once you unwrap your canvas, you can shove it there in the sleeves with the drills and you just seal it up and you're safe, good to go, right? This is a square diamond painting. It does also come with your inventory sheet. This is an old inventory sheet. The new inventory sheets now are in sticker form, so you can just peel them and put them on your labels, stick them on your bags. The drills already come pre-bagged, so you don't even have to worry about kitting up. Me, I take them out of the bag because your girl likes to work out of containers. But yes, but you can see these drills are absolutely fantastic. There is no like dimples. There's no little knobbly bits, which you find a lot on the square drills. Like they're beautiful. Like mwah, just beautiful, right? So this canvas, it is a 55 by 85 centimeter. It is a square painting. It has 50 colors with 4 ABs. Like they're trying to make sure like you turn the lights off, like, and you will be able to see it from across the street in your window. Okay. Like they're going to make sure this thing shines. All right. So, I did also want to add that I did speak to Lauren and I believe she's going to be adding boxes soon. So like they won't come in like a bubble mailer. Your paintings are going to be coming in boxes, as well as there's a 100% warranty. You get free shipping. You have your choice of every diamond painting. You have your choice of either a round drill or a square drill. You can get them, I think, with or without ABs. I think I saw on there. So it comes wrapped up like in this like thicker plastic. I can just get this off. It does also have a little styrofoam, little roller in there to keep your diamond painting from collapsing on itself during shipping. And, okay, so let's get into this because you're probably a little curious, just like I am, right? What's the D for? I mean, I know what I want the D for, but I don't think that's what Shay Jay-Reed was going for when she drew this, right? But who knows? Right. So sometimes there are rubber bands. It looks like it broke. I'll get that this weekend. Right. There's another rubber band that they wrap around your canvas. Her canvases are silk flocking material. They are poured glue. The canvases are just like nice and soft. Like I could just sit here and just keep rubbing this D of a painting, right? Okay, and anywho, guys, just got to stop myself. Alrighty. So, because it is poured glue, you can roll this diamond painting the other way onto itself to help flatten it out. Do not do this with double-sided adhesive or mounting glue. It will mess up, you know, either the double-sided tape or the mounted glue, which will ruin your painting. It will make you cry. I will cry for you. Just a little, you know, FYI there. So again, because it's poured glue, we can roll it on itself. And look at her. Just look at this, right? Do you see her? Like, do you see this? I'm not sure. Does she have like some like disease? Maybe that's it. Is that what D's for? Like a disease? Because she's got like something all up on her face and like, well, you can't really see it like on her hands or on her arm. I don't see it. It's like all up in her face, in her hair. I'm going to have to go use my cheat sheet to see what D is for, because I'm not really sure. On every Rhinestone Goddess Creations canvas, you will have her logo up at the top in the middle. At the top left-hand corner, you have your legend where it tells you, you know, that there will be like the number on the baggies. That is your symbol as well as your DMC color. At the bottom left-hand side, you have an image of the picture. D is for, and y'all stop giggling like a bunch of 12-year-old boys, because I mean, I ain't gonna lie, in my head I'm giggling like a freaking 12-year-old little boy. Okay, it is from the Artist ShayJay-Reed. Again, it tells you that it's 55 by 85 centimeters. This number right here, F9367. So if you store your canvas separate than your drills, on the drill baggie, it's got the number that matches the canvas, so you know what drills go to your canvas, which is fantastic. It tells you it's from Rhinestone Goddess Creations. It's got the email, rhinestonegoddess22@yahoo.com, as well as another legend at the bottom right-hand side. So say if, like, you know, you're working up here, okay, you know, you got your legend, but then you get so far. Say, you know, you either roll this up, you know, to pull it up so you can see, but then you can't see the legend. She's got you covered. She's got it on this side. No worries, right? Okay, so, picture like Naomi. Is it sticky? Like, are my drills going to stick to this? I don't know. Shall we do the test? Shall we see? You know, is the D good? Are we running to the courthouse to get that restraining order because our drills are just gonna stick? Ladies and gentlemen, it's a stage 5 clinger. I tell you, it's just like, ooh, I don't want that to. But yes, it is very sticky. You will not have any problems once you lay your drills down. They will stay. I'm telling you, they're going to stick around. They ain't going nowhere. So let's take a look at, like, the drill field or the symbols. The symbols are very clear and legible. I don't see any problems with making them out or figuring out, you know, what is what. So again, this has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ABs. Let's see where these ABs go on this cube. So we got these 4 ABs. We got this dark orange AB. If you're new to diamond painting, you don't know what AB means. It means Aurora Borealis. It's just like this special little coating that they put on these drills that make them, you know, shine and sparkle just a little bit more. So number 47 is number 5, and this one, this like dark orange, is going to be sprinkled kind of like throughout, like her sleeves, not her sleeves, but like around here, kind of like in her dress. She's got some here, just kind of like all around there. Then, is there a hole in that one? Number 48, which is this like light orange AB. That is going to be like in her dress over here and here, like where you see all this like little light yellow, you know, even down in her stockings. I'm pretty sure, I think this bag is like that, or it's not closed all the way. Because I got ABs flying at me. I don't think it was closed all the way. Yeah, so the light AB, like I said, just all throughout, like her stocking in here, going down through here. You got some like up in her dress, kind of like all these like little orangey splotches. Oh man. Number 49, which you can tell, what is up? Did they like not believe in closing bags? What the hell? Number 49 is this like dark blue AB. This is just like, you just take it and throw it. And I'm telling you, it's going to land wherever that blue AB is. You got it down in here. You got it all in the background here, going over here, around her hair, all up in here. Like, it is everywhere, guys. And then our last AB is this, like, yellow AB. And you're going to find that, like, in, like, the whitish color where it's, like, lighting. The light hits her shoes, kind of there a little bit, as well as it's all, you know, like intertwined and sprinkled around the damn dog digging just threw me off. Hold on. All right, sorry about that. So this yellow AB is gonna go all the way around, like I guess, I don't know, like the lace of her dress. It's in like the sleeves of her arms. We have some like in her eyes, like the white, yellowish white, down in here around her eyes there. Ooh, we even have some of that blue AB in her eyes here that I didn't notice. Yes. So, what do you think D stands for? Let me know down in the comment section down below. If you're interested in getting this painting or any of the ABC series that Shay Jay-Reed has done, I will make sure to have Rhinestone Goddess Creations linked down in the description box, as well as Shay Jay-Reed's social, so you can go follow her and check her out as well. But you know what, guys? With that said, I'm going to hop on out of here. If you're new to the channel and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!